So we're here at Sylvan Beach where we're staying tonight with Carrie. Again. Alright, but tomorrow.
I'm still here.
She's still there.
I'm not going
Wake
anywhere.
up and you're there. But Carrie's still here. A highly valued member of the crew. Literally top 5 member of the crew. So this is Oneida Lake.
They have a cute little carnival set up here. Honey, what ride are you gonna ride on first?
I'm gonna go on the where's the maintenance guy ride, and after I see him, then I'll consider going on any of these. Just saying, you know, keep yourself on the ground. That's how you stay alive at a questionable little carnival setup like this. Just saying.
Oh, it'll
Bumper car's
be
okay. Rocket plane, maybe not.
Wait, this one or that one? They also have a roller coaster. Honey, I think this one's for you.
Consider myself to be a brave man, but under no circumstances that I am 100% sure my life insurance would not cover if I died on this. When you fall, I'm going to laugh very hard.
I'm not gonna fall. Look at me, Mom.
Very hard. That's how hard I'm gonna laugh. Like, literally feet above the ground. Oh no, stop. You're amazing. That's the way she goes. Real fucking bronco. I'm probably lighter than most of the kids that play on this. You're feeding your kids.
Oh, honey, what you got there? We are heading across Oneida Lake this morning. We left early, and it is really calm. And this is the only day of the week, the 7-day forecast, that it was going to be no rain and sunny. So we are hoping for the best. Fellow sailboats doing the same thing we are. Honey, we're at Brewer Union Cafe.
And I'm going to put Frank's Red Hot on my half of the Eggs Benedict because I put that shit on everything.
Right. We are bicycling back to the boat after a delicious breakfast. This is a great spot to hang out for the day.
So we're out in Baldwinsville today. They got a great little downtown section. It was a little closed on a Sunday, but still found a fantastic Angry Garlic restaurant that was very cute.
It's really good.
Yeah, and it's just nice. It's all well done. It's downtown that's got like flower planters there, and it's really nice. So chance to get off the boat, walk around a little bit, see some of the sights, and great town.
But we are here during a flash flood. Check this out. This is how we cut hair on the boat.
Saw a place called All Things Blonde, which is, it's the closest thing there is to our Graceland. Just made me think, like, probably need Carrie to, shear the sheep. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we are rolling along the western Erie Canal, and a little bit of danger today from floodwaters from all the rains. So they've actually got like 10 or 11 of the eastern locks shut down. The western side seems okay, but it is running high, so it's running against us. We're moving at about 4.5 knots, which is not ideal for trying to get places, but that's all right. It's beautiful scenery, and continue making our way, and we'll decide when we pass the Cayuga whether we want to pop out into one of the Finger Lakes or just continue moving on to Lock 25. He's really getting a good deal here. How do you like that bikini now?
Okay, so it literally just rained and thundered and lightning the whole time we were in that second walk. So we got soaked, the wind was coming in, and all drenched and cold. We are here, and it looks like there's only power on the cement dock, so not on the wooden dock. We're gonna head right over here. Oh, honey, what you got there?
Lobster roll.
Lobster and sweet potato fries and mac and cheese bites. This is how much stuff has accumulated on our motor when we arrived in Seneca Falls.
So it was on this corner here in Seneca Falls that the first convention on women's rights was held. So it was here in 1834 that the convention came together, and they drafted what they called the Declaration of Sentiment. And basically what they did is add to it that we hold its truths to be self-evident that all men and women are created equal. And it's kind of interesting because the women's suffrage movement, it's so far before our time that it seems one of those things where, like, well, of course women would be given the right to vote. How can anybody have ever thought, like, oh, we'll just have half the people vote? But in the time, this was not a popular idea, and encountered truly violent resistance. But in a parallel to even our current times, it just seems like that statement from the Declaration of Independence, that we hold these truths to be self-evident, like everybody should realize this, that all men are created equal. Well, yeah, men and women are created equal, and yeah, men and women and people with different colored skin, and men and women and people with different colored skin, and people that celebrate different religions. Men, women, people with different colored skin, people that celebrate different religions, people that are transgender, people that, whatever you choose to do. It should be self-evident that everyone deserves to be equal under the eyes of the law. What a great sentiment.
What do we got here?
This is a half of a Reuben, and this is a half of a Balboa.
These are halves.
The town of Seneca Falls, in their generosity to boaters, has provided for up to 48 hours free places to dock up with power, water, and then this really beautiful
showers.
Yeah, this beautiful facility with bathrooms and showers, and everything is just immaculately clean. There's washers and dryers. I mean, I've stayed at many a marina and paid to stay that didn't have facilities this nice. So, man, if Seneca Falls is in any way on your route, I suggest coming and spending a couple of days here. Great town. Great facility. Got our own like little aquarium.
Welcome, Rome, to Lyons, New York, right here in Wayne County. It's our county seat, and we're happy to have you and your wonderful boat here tonight.
So tonight we're staying in Lyon, L-Y-O-N, not L-I-O-N. And this was once the peppermint capital of New York. This place shipped peppermint all over the world. And man, free power, free water, free docking, and like they came and this guy just showed up as our ambassador.
Yeah,
and,
greeted us, really
yeah.
friendly.
Man,
Told us where we could find great food.
hard to get a better introduction to a place than that. So Lyon, pretty damn good so far. And the fire department has just opened up and allowed showers again, so good times. So here in the peppermint capital of the world, Peppermint Days. And here we are experiencing Food Truck Festival, where they'll fry anything. These guys will fry anything. Oh hell, they just got fried dough. I mean, they're just throwing shit in the fryers now.
And honest farming had a goat.